made a video in, I don't know, 2, 3, 4 months, but we're not going to talk about that. We're going to talk about how I can get my makeup to stay on all day in this North Carolina, like 90s, 100s humidity heat, and not be cakey, still be like fresh and glowy. I took this Peter Thomas Roth primer. It's like a mattifying primer. It reminds me a lot of Benefit Professional. You'll see I'm really working it in like my T-zone and my pores. Across my pores, I'm not really sliding it across. I'm really working it in to fill them in because they are huge. So get in the T-zone. Then I've been using the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte. That's like my staple for, I don't know, the last 2 years. And then this Maybelline foundation, I forget what it's called, but I'll put it down below. These together make my makeup stay on all day long. I don't care how hot it is. This stuff isn't budging, especially you put it on with a beauty blender instead of a brush. It really kind of just comes one with my skin. Even though it's full coverage, it doesn't look cakey. Then for my concealer, I always take the Maybelline Fit Me. I've been using that for like 2-3 years. It's the best. Just put it in the T-zone, like my nose, chin, forehead, and right underneath my eyes. So just tap everything out with your beauty blender, but I feel like this next step is really what helps everything just stay and doesn't melt off your skin and doesn't look cakey. You're gonna take your setting powder and dip your damp beauty blender in there and blend it. That's what you're gonna put on instead of using a brush and it's gonna sit on top. This is really gonna like melt into your skin instead of it just sitting on top, not working and then melting away later. This is kind of like blending in with your skin. It just trust me, please, it works. Then I'm going to take this Tarte Hotel Heiress bronzer, just bronze up my face. I don't like using blush, so I'll use bronzer in the place of that. I want to look tan, basically. And I know my hands are white, but just trust me, I'm self-tanning soon. Okay. Then I'm going to take the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer, and I'm just going to go in like the little hollows of the cheek back there, like put a little shadow. I'll do that. I'll go under my lip to make it look a little bit more fuller. Just everywhere where we bronze, you're just going to contour just a little bit. Just to clean up your contour, like easy. Because, I mean, it's easy to have your contour and your bronzer go down a little bit further. So I'm just going to clean up that with whatever powder is left over. And then this is the Pure Hydrating Mist. It's so good. It like it brings the life back out of your face after all the powder. I'm going to take this Tarte Expose highlighter. It's so pretty, especially in summertime when you got a little bit of a tan. I'm just going to put that on, you know, cheekbones, nose, and I think the inner corners of my eyes just to make me look a little bit more awake. Always sleepy. You want your brows to stay all day long? I mean, I've been like done my makeup, out drinking, woke up the next morning, my brows are still on. Buy that stuff. Better Than Sex mascara. I use this because I'm scared to get lip injections, but I want my lips to look a little bit bigger for my Instagram pictures. And then I'm just going to use this NYX Soft Matte Cream. I think that's what it is. I don't know what color it is, so I'll just put it down below. And what makes your makeup stay is this Kat Von D Lock It Matte Setting Spray. I mean, even after sweating at the gym, my makeup is still in place because of that stuff. No, I don't put makeup on just to go to the gym. I just mean like at the end of the day, if my makeup is still on, I'm not going to take it off after work just to go to the gym. Don't judge me. But yeah, this is just like my everyday makeup to still look glowy, full coverage, fresh. I don't do my eyes every day. I just do them sometimes. But this is it.